Hey there, partner. What you doing out here on the porch all alone? I see. Well, it's a mighty fine evening for that. The birds chirping, the crisp autumn weather. Can't beat it. It has been a long week. Work's got me running around like crazy Monday through Friday. I'll tell you, I really look forward to these Saturdays. You still over at the yard working on cars? Oh, okay. Well, that's a decent living, I'll tell you what. Yeah, the job's decent over here. Gotta do what I gotta do for Martha and the kids. Hasn't been easy this year, but I reckon next year will be a little bit better. Lord knows it can't get much worse. How are your little rascals doing? Is everybody well? Well, bless their little hearts. I'm glad to hear that. Hey, what's that down there by your feet? Is that a new guitar that you picked up? Oh, your uncle gave it to you? Well, she's a real beauty. I haven't seen one like that around here in a long time. Why don't we wander on back to the creek behind the house? You can show me a couple tunes on that there guitar. Alrighty, sounds good. You know, I used to play back in my day. Played mostly electric, actually, but that acoustic is looking real fine. This log will do just fine. It's nice to rest my bones for a second. Lord knows I need it. Alright, buddy, let's hear it. Sure sounds nice. Keep it going now. Well now, that's the kind of song that's in my heart and in my blood. I didn't even know you could play so well. How long you been playing? Let's walk back to the porch. Gotcha. And you say Mrs. Maisel taught you? About 10 years ago? How did I never know about that? Oh, it's no bother. I reckon sometime I should bring my guitar over here. We could have a strum. I'd like that too. Lord knows how busy I've been with the kids and with work. I'm sure you can say the same. Reckon I should get going soon before the missus starts worrying. Those clouds over there don't look too good either. They was talking about some rain, and I wouldn't doubt it the way those things look. Alright now, partner, that's my cue. Gotta get home. But it was real nice seeing you again. It's been too long. Give the family my love, and hey, remember, one of these days, we're gonna jam together. I'll see you.